Hey guys! In this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cabinet table saw options that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional woodworker, we're here to break down the best options for your needs. You can find all the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the RUITOOL Japanese handsaw. While not a powered table saw, this hand-powered gem earns its place for its precision and versatility, especially for detailed woodworking projects. The 6-inch SK5 high-carbon steel blade is double-edged with 17 TPI on one side for hardwood and 14 TPI on the other for softwood, making it a highly adaptable tool. The blade's flexibility and the 3-edged hardened teeth ensure smooth, accurate cuts every time. Plus, the lightweight design and ergonomic beechwood handle make it easy to handle, even for extended periods of use. The design of the RUITOOL saw is all about precision. The compact size makes it perfect for detail work, such as flush cuts and finishing touches. Despite its manual operation, it delivers incredible control, which is especially valuable when working on intricate projects. It's a fantastic addition to any woodworker's toolbox, particularly for those who value traditional craftsmanship. However, it's important to note that this product is not a replacement for a powered table saw. It's a different kind of tool altogether. It's ideal for hobbyists, fine woodworkers, or anyone who needs a precise, portable saw for smaller tasks. The lack of a motor or power source might be a limitation for larger, more demanding projects. But for its intended use, the RUITOOL Japanese handsaw is a stellar performer. Pros include its precision and lightweight design, while cons are its limited application for large-scale projects. At number 4, we have the Metabo HPT 10-inch compound miter saw, which also doubles as our budget pick. This saw packs a 15-amp motor that delivers a no-load speed of 5,000 RPM, ensuring smooth and precise cuts for a variety of woodworking projects. It features a large 10-inch table and thumb-actuated positive stops for quick miter adjustments, making it an excellent choice for anyone who values precision and convenience. The lightweight design is one of its standout features, coming in at just 24.2 pounds. This makes it highly portable, whether you're moving it around your workshop or taking it to a job site. The saw offers a versatile range of cuts, with a 0 to 52 degree miter angle and a 0 to 45 degree bevel angle. This flexibility is perfect for crown molding, picture frames, and other detailed projects. Plus, with a 5-year warranty and a Japanese engineered build, it promises reliability and durability. That said, the Metabo HPT is best suited for smaller projects. Its lightweight design is great for portability, but may not handle the rigorous demands of heavy-duty professional use. Pros include its affordability, portability, and ease of use, while cons include its limited capacity for larger materials. Overall, it's a fantastic choice for beginners or anyone working on a tight budget. Next up at number 3 is the multifunctional 4600 RPM portable table saw. This 10-inch table saw is equipped with a powerful 15-amp motor and a 36T blade, delivering an impressive cutting speed of 4,600 RPM. It's designed for versatility, allowing for both 90-degree cross cuts and 0 to 45-degree bevel cuts, making it ideal for DIY projects, furniture making, and general woodworking tasks. What sets the multifunctional apart is its portability. Weighing just 28.3 pounds, it's compact enough to transport easily between job sites without sacrificing functionality. The adjustable blade height and angle allow for customized cuts, while safety features like a transparent blade guard and dust port make it user-friendly and safe to operate. The saw can handle various materials, including hardwoods, plywood, and even thin aluminum sheets. However, its lightweight design means it might not be the most stable option for larger, heavy-duty tasks. It's best suited for home workshops or smaller-scale projects. Pros include its high cutting speed, portability, and safety features, while cons are its limited stability for heavy-duty use. Overall, the RUITOOL is a solid, mid-range option for hobbyists and DIYers. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2 is the SKIL 15-amp 8¼ compact portable job site table saw. This table saw is equipped with rack and pinion fence rails that ensure the fence stays parallel to the blade for fast and accurate cuts. Its 15-amp motor offers enough power for a wide range of applications, from ripping plywood to cutting hardwood. The aluminum table is both lightweight and sturdy, offering a 24-inch rip capacity and a 2.5-inch depth of cut at 0 degrees. One of the standout features is the parallel blade alignment system, which allows for micro-adjustments to ensure precision. The compact size makes it easy to store and transport, although the stand is sold separately. Safety features like the emergency shutdown switch and anti-kickback pulls add peace of mind. While it's slightly pricier than other options, the performance and build quality justify the cost. Pros include its precision, portability, and robust safety features. The only downside is the additional expense of the stand, which would have been a useful inclusion. Overall, the SKIL table saw is an excellent choice for professionals and serious DIYers who demand accuracy and reliability. Finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the Evolution R8 MTS convertible miter table saw. This premium option combines the functionality of a miter saw and a table saw into one compact design, making it a game changer for anyone short on space. With a 12-amp motor and a high-quality TCT blade, it's capable of cutting wood, plastic, mild steel, aluminum, and even reclaimed wood with embedded nails, all without changing blades. The saw features a 0 to 45-degree bevel and a 45-degree miter range, with preset stops for quick adjustments. The cast aluminum tabletop ensures a flat cutting surface, and the dual locking rip fence provides clean, precise cuts every time. Safety is another highlight, with an innovative blade guard, riving knife, and dust extraction ports. At 28.6 pounds, it's lightweight yet sturdy, making it portable while still delivering professional-grade performance. While the price is on the higher end, the Evolution R8 MTS is worth every penny for its versatility and cutting-edge design. Pros include its multi-material cutting capability, compact size, and excellent safety features. The only minor drawback is its limited rip capacity, which may not suit larger projects. Nevertheless, it's the ultimate choice for professionals and advanced users who need a versatile, high-performing saw in a compact package. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated on the latest product reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.